Dying one.
Rob. Rock money enough.
I know. The way I'm dipping, steps so fresh, they call me Manny. Plus the crossover so cold, it come in handy. Every day I shoot a movie.
YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Down1914 back with another review. So let's get into this review. I've been eager to see this shoe in hand. As far as I know, these only released on the sneakers app. So if you want these, you definitely got to go off the secondary market. So I'm gonna give a nice detailed review of the box and things of that nature, just to make sure if you do go cop off the secondary market, you'll know what you're looking for. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're into fits and kicks, you're in the right place. All my OGs, welcome back to the channel. So let's not waste no more clock. Let's get right into this unboxing, review, and on feet. So let's go ahead and open him up. And the colorway is definitely inspired. I mean, it's a 90s shoe. It's a retro shoe. But the colorway is definitely inspired by the movie Back to the Future and the Nike Air Mags that they had in the film. So if you're not familiar with the Air Mags, which if you are a sneakerhead, you should know that's like grail status type of shoe. It's like going for 30, 25,000 some sizes. If you look on the secondary market, I'll put a picture up so you can know it's the shoe Marty McFly put on in Back to the Future Part 2. It was a self-lacing shoe, and this is the colorway that it was inspired by. So it's a flip lid of the box. Let me just show you the sizing tag right here. I went with a size 10.5 because I noticed a lot of older shoes that they brought back out, like the King Griffey's, just the Dion's that they brought back out, they fit a little snug for some reason. So I just go with my true to size, and I don't size down, because a pair that I did size down to a size 10 was real snug. So 10.5, I always go true to size, and all the OG shoes like that drop, like the Barkley, stuff like that. Shoes that's from the 90s that drop. So one with a 10.5 in this, and you get a regular Nike box, but it is a flip lid box. And the tag does read Air Tech Challenge 2, Photon Dust, White Dusty Cactus, size 10.5. You flip it, you'll get a sheet of paper, and then bam, there are the shoes. It's my first time seeing these in hand, and these are fire. Yo, nah, these are dope. Yeah, these are fire. One sheet of paper is what you should get in your box. There's no green stickers or anything like that. So that's how your box should look. And you know, of course, Nike branding on the back of the box and things of that nature. So that's what you look for if you're getting it off the secondary market. And let's get into the shoes, man. Yo, bruh. Now these are crazy. I didn't even know they had a translucent outsole. I didn't even know. Wow, these are fire. And a leather. And I did read that it's a mixture of real leather and synthetic leather on the upper, and I can kind of see where it's probably synthetic, like on the side panels, like right in here, it's probably synthetic, but up here on the toe box and like on the Nike swoosh, I can see where that's actual, like real genuine leather. And right here along the ankle collar of the shoe, you can kind of see the wrinkly parts. Basically the wrinkly parts are genuine leather. Yeah, these are fire, man. Yo, I always been a big fan of Nike Air Mag. I always wanted that shoe. Back to the Future is one of my favorite movies of all time, by the way. Used to watch it all the time when I was a kid. Used to come on HBO back in the 80s. And the Nike Air Mags, when that came out, that shoe, we was all like, yo, I want those shoes. Definitely wasn't something that they released or anything like that, so it wasn't obtainable, but I always wanted that shoe. That's like up there for me, you know what I mean? So to have a shoe, an OG Andre Agassi shoe in this colorway, it's kind of like, it's a good, what do they call that? I don't know, I can't think of the word right now, but you know what I mean. It's like a, I don't know. Comment in the comment section down below if you know what I'm trying to say. Consolation prize. It's like a good consolation prize. Without further ado, man, that's enough yapping. Let's go ahead and get into the kicks, man. So the outsole, you got that what type of blue is that? Is that, I mean, it looks teal to me, like a teal, but I guess this is that. Is it? I don't know what color the blue is. I mean, is it the Dusty Cactus? I'm not sure. I would think the gray is the gray for sure is the Photon Dust. Maybe it's the Dusty Cactus. I'm not sure, but you got that. I'm just call it teal. You got that teal blue on the upper right here, hitting right here and here, and it's kind of like, it kind of looks like it's like faded out, like pixels, like it's like pixelated almost, and it's like, you know what I mean? It's like speckled, and then halfway inside of the sections right here in the back and on the front of the shoe. It's kind of dope. The outsole, like I said, it's got that teal Nike, and then it's translucent on a forefoot, and then going around the heel, which is dope. I didn't even know that was the case. I don't think the originals are like that. And then you have the gray here, and you got the teal speckles inside of the midsole, and it's going around the lateral and the medial side. The air unit, you got a clear air unit, clear air bubble, and the air unit looks like it's gray inside. Got that white Nike swoosh right there. Then you got this pattern on the upper and that photon dust. They have a great colorway. Now, if this part of the shoe looks familiar, these little plastic pieces right here. So I believe this is a Tinker Hatfield. I believe this is a Tinker Hatfield design. You can tell that the 4s were inspired by these as well, like this part, because these look like the triangle that hold the waffles on the Jordan 4. So that's where the inspiration come from, as far as I remember reading about the design of this shoe and the Jordan 4. That's the correlation. So that's pretty dope. And they're mini too. That's pretty dope though. And on the back, of course, you got that Nike Air and that teal as well. It's fire, man. So dope. That's a nice hit off that gray. And up here you got like a soft type of material. It's not like, it's kind of like a corduroy type of material, but it's like super soft on the heel, which is nice. Let's see here. White shoestring, doesn't come with any extra shoestrings. And then you got Nike right here on the front in that like 90s type style, like a fluorescent type of orange. It like bleeds from like a reddish to an orange, to a light orange right there on the tongue. Nice, that's a nice touch. And the tongue is that like material that's on the back of the heel right here. It's the same type of material, that same like, you know, corduroy, soft corduroy type of material. And it does come with shoe paper. And then on the inside, you got the size of the tag, you got a white insole, and then you got Nike Air, not in this teal colorway that's on the back. The Nike Air is in the same colorway that's on the tongue. And that's a pretty nice touch. And there you can see on the inside of the shoe. Pretty dope, man. This shoe's nice. So that's pretty much it, man. I'm happy with this shoe, man. Damn. Yeah, these definitely gonna be staying in the collection. I didn't know they look like this in the colorway off that Nike Air Mag. It's one of my top shoes, man, that I always wanted. Yeah, these are fire. So that's the end of the review. On the right shoe, you do get a hang tag, which is fire. I didn't even know it came with a hang tag. That's dope. I don't know if the original was due or not, but it come with the classic orange plastic Nike hang tag, man. Fire. Anything different in the inside? No, same Nike Air. Yeah, everything is the same on the right shoe versus the left shoe as well. So comment in the comment section down below. How do you feel about this pair? Is this a cop for you? Did you get lucky, hit off the Sneakers app? They did restock momentarily on the Sneakers app, I believe yesterday or the day before. I looked today and they really only have like a size 8, I believe, left. So if you want these, you have to get them off the secondary market. They're not going for too much on the secondary market right now. I believe for this size 10.5, I seen it was like maybe 211, 210. They retail at 180. So that's what you're looking at if you want to get them off the secondary market. So I would say if you're a big fan of Back to the Future and a big fan of the Nike Air Mag, this is a good constellation. If they ever do decide to retro the Air Mag, it'll be a wonderful thing, but I'm not sure that's even possible just for now. If you a fan of old 90s shoes, especially the Air Tech, Andre Agassi, when he was playing tennis, these was fire, like the colorways he was bringing out on the tennis court. If you're a big fan of this silhouette, I would say it's probably worth a cop, man. That's like $30 over retail, and maybe 40 with shipping and taxes and things of that nature. Yeah, these are fire. I can't wait to put these on feet, man. I'm happy with this purchase. So with that being said, we're gonna hop into this on foot. If you stayed this far in the video, I appreciate you. Like, comment, subscribe, share the channel, and until the next video, I'm out.
Hey yo, Don One, what up, bro? It's time. We gotta let these folk know you certified in this thing, man. Let them know you beneficial, and you know these haters ain't beneficial. Let me talk to them. Give and go. 3, 2, 1, repeat it. Yeah. 6-0. We undefeated. Yeah, you know. Shoe game. Done beat it. Done one. Haters can't even hate. You unneeded. Yeah, you done. Done. Make way for done one. Yeah. Done one. Yeah. Haters stay seated. Michael Jackson beat it. #1 seated. Weeping while you read it. Lion don't feed it. Going ham eat it. Wild with the style, tailor made to compete. Making hits about my studio with Don Julio. Living paradise like Julio and ball like Rubio. Godson armored up, shout out to the bros. Rockin' kicks like you to go, but I got 2 of those. Give and go, 3, 2, 1, repeat it. 6-0, we undefeated. Yeah, you know. Shoe game, done beat it. Done one. Haters can't even hate, you unneeded. Yeah, you done.